Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.